Okay, it's the 6th of September. It's a Friday morning. I'm doing this around 9:30 because I have some work to do today. Anyway, I want to thank everybody so far. Um, we've got the first part of what I was trying to get, the first 350, which is the deposit on the stone. We've got that covered now, and now I'm working on getting the 700, which will be for the full stone, and then another 180 to put the stone in the ground. So 880 is my goal right now. I'm about halfway there. I appreciate everything that everybody's doing to me. Again, I will post the GoFundMe above the video in comments. Okay, so right now we have warm temperatures out by Pittsburgh in the lower 80s this afternoon. But as you look at the rest of the state, you can see temperatures basically in the 70s. Even Philadelphia, which is usually the hot spot, is not the hot spot today. They're in the mid 70s. If you look up here in the Poconos, the highest terrain in the Poconos stays in the 60s today. And that's because of cloud cover and a little drizzle that you can get as we move during the afternoon hours. You can see, if you look out here to the west, you can see as a front is approaching, and as you can see the temperatures dropping. Now, this would take you to around 6 o'clock, and you can see the 80s are being pushed down by Pittsburgh here. You're getting down to the low 70s to around to the upper 60s. If you look at the rest of the state of PA, it's pretty much stayed the same throughout the afternoon and evening. And as you get into the nighttime hours, you can see that front is basically crossing Pittsburgh up here. The temperatures behind it have dropped into the 60s. And then as we get to around 8 o'clock, you can see the eastern part of Pennsylvania, maybe a degree or two. It's dropped down out by in Jersey here in Delaware, temperatures upper 60s to around 70 because you got that flow off the ocean here. And you do have some sprinkles that are trying to come in. You can see it here. They're coming from the east. I'll back this up a little bit, and you can see how they start coming east. And it's not much. It's just like I said, some sprinkles across. Now this is 10 o'clock tonight. Here's your frontal system right here. It's across Pittsburgh. It's heading east overnight. It's got some showers and thunderstorms mixed in with it. And this takes you to around midnight. It loses that sun, but yet there's still a definitive line. This is around 3 o'clock in the morning. Here's 4 o'clock, and again, you can see that flow off the ocean here, bringing in some showers and some sprinkles. This is around 4 a.m. 6 a.m., you can see it crossing State College around 7 a.m. I think the football game is on Saturday. I think this will pass them. This is around 10 o'clock in the morning. Here's State College right here. It's on the back side of the front. Again, crossing eastward around 10 o'clock in the morning are some heavier showers in here. And it could be an embedded thunderstorm, especially with the sun getting its effect. Here it is around noontime, and you can see State College is clearing out. Might be wet, but I think the rain will clear before 12 o'clock here. And then, as you can see, the front is moving to the east. That reflected in this is the temperatures. Um, this is a definitive line. I mean, this is insane here. If you look at this for fall, you got mid 70s here, and behind it, temperatures in the 50s. This is noontime, not nighttime. This is noontime. Temperatures in the 50s. So this front means business. And as you can see, as it's crossing, you can see that line moving. And here it is, temperatures in the 50s in front of it, upper 70s. Let me see if I can close this and you can see just how interesting this is. Okay, now this is a close-up of Jersey, Eastern PA, and some Delaware area. And you can see the front back here. This is again noontime. This is Reading right here for, for you to try to give you some guidance. Lancaster, here's Philly, here's Allentown is up here. Stroudsburg's up in here. But you can see this front is as it crosses, it's quite definitive. Um, Here is the front here. Now here's Reading, 61. The outline areas of Reading are in the 50s. You can see upper 70s up ahead of it. And then you can see this thing coming across. And then it goes through Philadelphia. It pushes the 70s into Jersey, basically by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And yeah, temperatures will warm up a little bit. But look up here. Here's the southern Poconos. Temperatures are they're dropped into low 50s. Here's northern New Jersey. Look at that definitive line there. Temperatures in front of it, 70s, behind it, 50s. And then this thing kind of sweeps through. Now, yeah, you do rebound a little bit, again, out here towards State College and all, just because the rain stopped and the sun popped back out. So here is Sunday morning, around 6 a.m. A lot of 40s in Pennsylvania, a lot of 40s. Here's Reading, 44. You look over here by Allentown, it's 45. Poconos are in the low 40s. I wouldn't doubt if there's even a couple of 30s up in the Poconos or in Laurel Highlands here. Maybe get into the low upper 30s here, but some very cold temperatures. You can see there's a pocket up here where the temperatures are definitely in the mid 30s. And then on Sunday, they'll try to warm back up again a little bit. It'll recover, but still 50s and 60s across Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. So kind of a nice fall day on Sunday. And if you're wondering about precipitation on Sunday, you got nothing going on. It's pretty clear. Okay, again, if you can, go to GoFundMe. The link is above here on Facebook. If you're on the .com page, it's on the cover photo of the page, or you can go back to Facebook on the Weather Outlook on Facebook, and you can find the link. But I would appreciate it. I thank you very much for your consideration. And again, be safe out there and take care. And tomorrow I will update this once again tomorrow. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe out there, please.